What's up guys, it's Sharon here. Welcome back to Action TV Productions, and today, as you can tell by the title, we're going to be reviewing another tech product that is workable and compatible for the iPad Pro 2018. I told you guys I would update you guys about this. It's been 2 months since I bought this and I love it so much. You have no idea. It's light. So I've been using the keyboard the most though with the iPad. Like if I have to look up something or anything like that, I would use this and I love it. I love like how much space I have for my hands on it, and I just like the feeling of how it feels like a laptop. So yes, the keyboard is awesome. The Apple Pencil with it is awesome. It makes me feel like I have a touchscreen laptop. However, what will make it feel like a whole new stepped up laptop experience is the product which I want to show you right now, called the HyperDrive for the iPad Pro. Boom. HyperDrive. Now this thing, now I know a lot of people get like dongles, you know, those separate dongles to use for if they want to use headphones or connect their flash drive or something like that. Now I'm glad I ran into a video about someone reviewing this online on YouTube, because if I didn't, I would have spent like probably over $200 by now, because Apple's dongles are like expensive. Let me tell you right now, the one thing that Apple did that was a huge mistake was taking out the headphone jack. I don't have the headphone jack on the iPhone 7. I don't have the headphone jack on the iPad Pro. But this lifesaver has the headphone jack. What it has also is the HDMI port, the USB-C port which you could charge your iPad, the SD card slot, the micro SD, and the USB. So you can put a flash drive here if you have like a memory card to put in, you can put it here. You want to charge your iPad and listen to music at the same time, you got that. Or if you want to connect it to your TV, you got HDMI right there. Boom! Now there's two colors for the HyperDrive to match the iPad Pro. Since I have the space gray iPad Pro, I got the space gray to match it up. Oh my god, this is so cool. HyperDrive right here, you got the side with the company and everything. This is supposed to be at the back, facing the back. This is how you're supposed to insert it. Here you have some screws. So I'm gonna just explain it right now. So this part, this black part right here, you don't need to necessarily put that, but that's there for protection from this scratching the iPad. So if you want to get rid of it, there's a screw I'm going to show you in a minute. You just screw out these screws right here and remove the black part, and you could just use it just as that. You got the screwdriver. I don't know what this is for. I guess it's for extra protection. I'm not sure. This is the extension. If you have a case on your iPad, this helps extend this out. So you have to make sure this is pushed all the way in which this part is on top of the iPad. First, try out the head jack, because I miss the head jack so much. I'm gonna use the extension. I'm gonna put up the volume so you guys can hear it. So you hear nothing right now, but it's playing. Ready? Now we have the case on, we're gonna go ahead and test out the other ports. As long as this blue light is on, you know it's gonna work. First up is the camera memory card. So let's see if this will work. This is a new card I got because I lost my other two. I just filmed something short to see if it will work. Yeah. Okay. Yo, that's so cool. Okay, well that's what I just took out. Next up is the flash drive. This is my school one. See what happens. Put in this. Boom. See what happens. Oh, that's so cool. I want to see if it will charge my phone. Guys, I just checked my phone and it's charging. It's charging, guys. Let's charge my iPad now. Alright guys, so that was the 5 ports tested. Let's test the last and final one that will blow your mind. Connect your iPad to the TV using the HDMI port right here. Boom. Like that. Now let's see if it's gonna show up. Yo, no way. No way. That's insane. Let's play something. Play some Netflix. See it. Now play on your TV. I never had a device where I could hook HDMI to the TV, so please accept my nerdiness right now.
Had done something to you, and he went after him on your behalf.
There was nothing for him to think.
Okay, good.
Yeah, that makes everything so much simpler. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. This was the unboxing review of the HyperDrive product for your iPad Pro. If you're interested in purchasing it, I'll leave a link to it in the description box below, along with the 15% discount code for it. This was originally going to be $90 plus tax, but with 15% off, it's like $76, so I got you guys. Alright guys, so I'll see you guys later for my next video, and this girl's out. Peace!